Welcome to Life, Death, and the Law, presented by the law firm of Deason, Garner, and Hansen, hosted by attorneys Shawn Garner and Adam Hansen.
So I want to talk to you about some of the things that the nation has seen as important issues, the top 10 issues in this upcoming election.
Let's hear what they are.
I want to hear your
reaction,
how you rank them.
Okay.
Okay. So the economy, terrorism and national security.
Okay.
Types of justices that may be appointed on the Supreme Court by the next president, immigration, education, healthcare, gun policy, abortion, taxes, and crime.
Okay.
So which of those stood out to you as being top of the list?
Immediately, I need to see that list more in front of my face. Abortion's so scandalous, or such a, not scandalous, so that one stuck out to me immediately. Oh, and then you said, what did you say? Education. So that one jumps out. Education. Terrorism was actually the first one. Wait, am I ranking these in my list of importance? What did you ask me again?
Jumps out to you as this would be an issue that I would make a decision one way or another to vote for this type of politician?
Oh, okay. So 0.
0 what? None of these?
This is not where.
That's not your list.
That's not my list.
Okay, great. What's important to you then? What factors contribute to your decision and who you vote for?
Okay, do we even come out and say who we're voting for? Is that a thing on here?
I do. I'm voting for Trump.
Okay, so I'm voting for the childless cat lady, and I'm really sad that I don't have a cat right here, except for I'm allergic, but if I did.
So, and
stroking the cat.
That's why you're here. You're voting for Kamala Harris.
Yes.
And I'm voting for Donald Trump. And so, do you love Kamala Harris? Do you love her personality traits? Do you think that she is a stand-up person that we should model our lives after?
Okay, so
because I don't feel that about Trump, and that's what I want to throw out there right off the bat. I am voting for who I think will take our country in the right direction, not which personality I like the best.
Okay. So I'm just going to rewind to, when did Trump run the first time? What year was that?
2016.
Okay, I was like, I remember where I was, but I couldn't tell you the year. I remember, is it the primary elections where you vote first before they actually have the actual election?
Correct.
So we had the option to vote for Trump before he actually ran officially.
Yeah, Ted Cruz was the one that the party thought was going to be the nominee.
Okay.
And Trump was like, no, it's going to be me.
Yeah.
And the party kept trying to convince him out of it because they didn't think that he was a serious candidate.
Okay.
And he was like, you know what? It's me. I don't care what you guys think.
Yeah.
I'm going to do what I'm going to do. I'm not going to be told what to do. So that was 2016.
Okay, so that's where I was, 2016. And I remember talking to my dad prior to, and he was telling me his political viewpoints, which you and him would be having a great conversation, but he's dead, so you can't have a conversation with him right now. It's okay. Anyway, and he was like, you can't vote for Hillary Clinton. She's the worst. And he was listing off all these reasons, and my stepmom saying all these reasons why you can't. And I was like, I don't even know. I'm in the middle of raising little babies. So, okay, I'm just going to go with what my dad says, right? So I went as a grown adult listening to what my dad says, and I was in the voting booth, and I voted for Trump on that primary election.
Okay.
And I had the worst.
Well, Hillary wouldn't have been on the primaries.
Okay, which one was I'm talking about then?
The general. So that would be the general election.
No, I swear it was the primary though, because it wasn't like president yet.
Okay, so it was like Ted Cruz and Marco Rubio and Donald Trump, and you had to choose between one of those.
Something like that, yeah. Okay. And I remember voting for him because that's what I did. And I was like, I don't know, I went home and I did not feel good. I didn't feel good on the minute I left the voting thing, and I just kind of had this sick, disgusting feeling to my stomach. Okay. And I was like, I don't think I made the right choice in there.
So who did you vote for the general election then?
So for the general election, I was like, well, it's Hillary or Trump. It's Hillary or Trump.
And
at that point, didn't they had just come out, remind me if I'm accurate, like on the media, I feel like there was something like with Marines in the Middle East or some sort of military, something went down. I don't know what it was. And it was like all this shady information was made, like they were putting light on all this shady, what was it?
Benghazi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yes, there was a
and then
terrorist
that
attack
made
on
me
the
sick to my
embassy.
stomach, and I'm like, I'm sick to my stomach both ways. And I thought, well, if both of them are making me sick, I'll just vote for Trump. And he got in office, and I was like, all right, all right. I didn't always love the way that he was conducting things. I didn't love that.
Okay,
So I've seen that go down for 4 years.
If you have questions or want to know more about something that was discussed today, please call the law firm of Deason, Garner, and Hansen at 928-783-4575 or visit yumaestateplanning.com.